Hey guys, welcome back. My name is David Kim-MacKinnon with eXp Realty, and today I have a special one for you guys. I've teamed up with some of my colleagues from the Align Group, and we're gonna talk about all the things you need to know if you're looking to move to West Vancouver. More specifically, the most prestigious neighborhood in all of Canada, the British properties. And you're gonna wanna stay till the end, because we're gonna show you what a stunning, custom-built, $7.5 million home looks like if you're looking to West Vancouver. You know what? I'm so excited. I'm done talking. Let's go. What's up guys, we're here about 5 minutes away from our listing at a local restaurant called Asur Kitchen, where they serve Persian food. What are we eating right now actually?
This looks great. It's a mixed plate of chicken and beef kebab served on some rice seasoned with saffron.
Ooh.
And their grilled tomato.
All right, so we're here in West Van. Tell me a little bit about West Van.
Absolutely. So this is a very sophisticated but also laid-back community. You've got beautiful waterfront properties. You're just walking distance to trails. Just down the street you have Ambleside with all the shopping, the spas, boutique shops, and really great restaurants.
What's the demographic here?
So it's definitely a more affluent community.
Yeah.
You've got some really great schools out here. The properties alone are in a much higher price range, I would say.
Yeah.
And you have a lovely Persian community out here. Hence the Persian food we have.
Oh, makes sense. There's a lot of Persians out here?
Lots, yes. I've actually been told by a friend that it reminded him of Iran because it was very lush and mountainous.
Wow, so Persians are very luxurious. So being in West Van, you're actually close to the mountains and a lot of nature. So can you touch on that?
Yeah, so being on this side is a major perk. If you are into the outdoor lifestyle, hiking, trails, you're so close to the sea to sky. So if you want to go up to do the Chief or up to Squamish, you're already there.
I've been to the Chief actually. That's a really tough hike, and the viewpoint at the top is crazy. It's so beautiful.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how hard was it for you?
I feel a 7. I mean, I've been on hikes where like you go on like crazy rocks. It wasn't like that. There was some like pretty clean paths, but it was a lot of elevation. If West Vancouver was a dating profile, what would the profile be?
Likes to go on hikes, likes to have a nice coffee on a Sunday afternoon.
Wow.
Wants to have 3 or 4 children in the future.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a lot of families out here, right?
Yes. Only goes to private schools, and definitely oat milk.
Oat milk. Okay.
Oat milk only.
All right, Ada, if I'm a family moving into West Van, in this area, what kind of schools can I expect here?
There's some pretty good school catchment here. You've got the Chartwell Elementary and also the Sentinel Secondary.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. They're good schools?
Very good school. That's why there's a lot of family that lives here.
Yeah, makes sense. Whoa, look at that house. Beautiful. Ada, what's the typical price point for a detached home here in West Van?
So typical price point in Chartwell neighborhood here is basically just a little bit under $3 million is the lowest, and the highest is just a little bit under $20 million.
Damn,
Yeah.
20 million?
Yeah.
So you gotta be pretty well-to-do if you're living here in West Van.
Right, yeah, and then the average price point is about $7 million.
Damn, 7 million for a house here. Well, you can see all the perks of being here. I mean, you're with the other affluent people in Vancouver, and you got the views. Views are crazy.
Yeah, for sure.
The community's so beautiful here.
It is, for sure.
It's like really quiet and serene. You get huge lots. Everybody has their own privacy.
It's like older homes, but then they upkeep it pretty well. They maintain it really well.
Yeah, you could tell.
Yeah.
Like some of these houses are like timeless classic looks.
Yes.
never go out of style. And you can always update it inside to make it look modern. And then you have homes like that are just new altogether that are just gorgeous. So it's a
Yeah.
good mix.
Yeah.
One thing's for sure, you're definitely gonna get your steps in living here. You can go for nice walks uphill.
It's nice that it's on a hill because a lot of the homes here have a really nice view of Vancouver, right?
Yeah.
Like, look at that view.
Crazy. The view from West Van is gorgeous, especially here in this street.
Yeah.
And everybody has a pool. What's up with that? Everybody has a pool here.
Yeah, I noticed.
That's amazing. Oh, there's a listing. Well, that house is gorgeous. Just look at the curb appeal from outside. Coincidence, this one has a pool too.
It's very modern. Modern look to it.
Yep, this is where you get it. All right, we're here at the listing. My friend Asur is gonna let us in. Let's check out the house.
Hey,
Asur.
David, how are
How's it
you?
going?
Welcome, welcome. Come on in.
Awesome. Wow.
I know.
Beautiful.
Isn't it incredible?
So tell us a little bit about the house.
Of course. So when you walk right in, first of all, you need to put your coat away. Right here, super spacious. We have a 6-bedroom, 7 bathrooms. This is sitting on a 7,800 square foot lot at just under 5,000 square feet.
Dang.
You have incredible views of downtown Vancouver, the whole skyline.
Whoa, 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 whoa. This is way too beautiful. I think we should save this for last, like the grand finale. So let's check out the rest of the house.
You have your family room, dining area, then another separate area right here,
Wow.
and your beautiful chef's kitchen perfect for entertaining. Cook here, your guests all around,
This is so nice to host events.
isn't it?
You can host
And
parties here.
we have a secret spice kitchen right in here so that the guests don't have to smell the stinky food. Take a look.
Oh, it smells like good food. Wow. Got the Wolf gas range. Bougie.
Yes, so both kitchens are equipped with Wolf appliances.
Oh, I love this. You don't see this too often. It's a Wolf range, magnetic induction stovetop. This is some high-tech stuff. So fun fact, it actually uses magnetic induction to heat up the pots and pans. So it actually uses 40% less energy and it heats up so efficiently. It heats up way faster and it keeps the stovetop cool. This stuff is really expensive. You only see that at really nice homes.
So if you come over here, we have a powder room, and check out this toilet.
Whoa.
You wanna go give that a go?
Oh, this is the one that opens automatically.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa. There you go.
Oh, it's spraying at you.
It does? It has a bidet in there too?
It's a bidet.
Spraying. I just watched it shoot up.
Jeez.
Of course.
Wow, the things this toilet can do.
Keep that booty clean.
You gotta love the artwork too throughout the house. Really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these handles. Ooh.
Over here is where you're gonna get all your work done. It's beautiful office space. Let's head downstairs.
Kaja.
Kaja. My Korean friend, let me show you what entertainment is all about.
Wow.
So on the left here, you have your laundry area. And this beautiful bedroom could be turned into a gym.
What? A gym?
Yeah, and it also has an ensuite. And look at the height of these doors. Love this oversized.
Oh yeah.
Closet area.
I love the closet.
And with organizers that don't look like they're from IKEA.
Yeah, this is definitely not from IKEA.
Custom built.
Even your little gym area has a full bathroom?
Yes, sir. So now let's head into the second family room.
Dang.
Beautiful pool table.
This is a serious layer.
If you're a wine connoisseur, you can display all your wines here. There's another wine cellar over there.
Oh yeah. This is legit for entertaining. This is like you buy this house to entertain, to have guests over.
All right. And then when you have your guests over, what are you gonna do? Watch the game, watch a movie in this incredible media room.
Whoa, this is cool. Look at the lighting. This is really nice because it's inside the wall.
Exactly.
Wow, really nice. This is an amazing spot to just chill, watch the games or watch a movie.
Yeah, the lighting really gives a lot of depth and dimension, and obviously makes it look
This is
super
not
cool
your
and modern, right?
not your average theater room. This is definitely super cool.
Yeah, you have a beautiful projector up here. Comes with the home.
And I love the wooden touch. It really makes kind of like adds to the whole West Vancouver aesthetic.
Totally.
Actually, this
West
whole
Coast
house is
contemporary.
kind of like has that nature West Van look.
Yeah, it's West Coast contemporary mixed with modern. So if you take a look on your left here, you have a beautiful
No way.
sauna.
A sauna?
Yeah, because
In your house?
after you party, you got to detox, right?
Oh my God, you could fit like 10 people in here.
As the W says, detox, retox, repeat.
Wow. The perks of having a sauna in your house. That's wild. That's true luxury.
So the home's equipped with security system. And
Oh, nice. You got surveillance of the whole house pretty much up there.
the boiler, all your mechanics in one room.
Very
Nice and tucked away. And hey, did I tell you? This home comes with the elevator.
No way.
Yeah.
Thank
Isn't that
God,
pretty
because I ain't
cool?
trying to walk all these stairs.
Well, it's also handicap accessible in case.
Very nice. In case
Yeah.
you're feeling a little wobbly.
Yeah.
From
Or
all the
maybe a little
tequila.
too drunk to go up the stairs.
Yeah, you have a nice guest room here.
Yeah. Floating toilet in this bathroom here.
Another bathroom. You can never have enough full bathrooms. Full bathroom. Just like every bathroom's full bathroom here.
6 full bathrooms, 1 powder room on the main floor. And even check out this
Oh, even
closet.
the guest room has a walk-in closet?
Yeah. It looks tiny, right? But look at how high the ceilings are.
We're looking at 11-foot ceilings.
11-foot ceilings, yes.
All right, well, let's go on up to the 3rd floor, where the primary bedroom is. I'm dying to see how this
Shall we take
primary bedroom is.
the elevator?
All right, so we're heading upstairs. You take the stairs.
All right, so now we're on the 3rd floor. David, I can't wait to show you the master bedroom.
Wow, every floor gets better. Jesus.
This is truly where the magic happens. Come take a look. David, check out this view.
Holy.
Imagine you and your wife laying here. I actually came here a couple weeks ago to watch the fireworks, which you can watch
No
right
way.
from the comfort of your bedroom.
This is West Van living.
Yeah, this home is perched up really, really high, so you can definitely see the whole Vancouver skyline. And you have your own private patio, extremely spacious. And the walk-in closet is really nice and amazing, high ceilings.
Yeah, I love it because it has high ceilings. You have the tall storage, so you really
Totally.
make use of all the storage space here.
Exactly, exactly. And then if you take a look at the master ensuite,
Whoa!
you have his and her sinks.
That's skylight.
I know.
You got natural lighting all the time.
Yeah,
That's beautiful.
perfect for girls doing their makeup. And you have a jet spa bathtub as well.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Because
Because the hot tub outside wasn't enough.
you can never get enough bubble baths.
And then frameless glass shower.
Beautiful.
And then let me take you to one of the bedrooms here. So just another basic bedroom, another ensuite as well.
I'm assuming every bedroom has an ensuite.
Every bedroom has an ensuite, which is really nice. People don't have to fight over which bathroom they want to use.
That's kind of the theme here. Every bedroom has a bathroom. You can never have too many bathrooms.
All right, and then let me show you the last 2 bedrooms down here.
This is a charger for iPad?
Yeah, so this is the iFloor smart system. You can put your iPad in there.
Cool.
Beautiful hallway. And if your wifey is mad at you, you don't have to sleep on the couch. You can sleep on the adjacent side of the master bedroom.
Beautiful. And with the same views.
With the same views.
They all share the same terrace, the same views. Yeah. Doesn't get any better than this. This is beautiful. And of course, another ensuite. Every bathroom, every room has an ensuite. And not even just any ensuite. It's like a full bathroom. Ugh. This is like you live in a hotel.
Also has walk-in closets.
There's another bedroom.
Let me take you to your baby room.
Oh, this is cute.
Little crib.
And it has a little terrace too.
These pieces of art here. And beautiful view.
Wow, even the baby gets an ensuite?
Oh yeah.
Everyone gets an ensuite. You get an ensuite. You get an ensuite. Wow. Amazing.
Incredible.
This is very comfortable. Like every inch of this floor is luxury and comfort.
Yeah. What differentiates this house actually is that most of the homes in West Vancouver are wood frame. This one is actually built of concrete and steel.
Wow.
So in terms of sound and longevity, you're gonna get it all. Top quality here.
Okay, let's finally check out this patio. Oh my God, these grand accordion doors. I love them. Okay, I love opening these. Let me open this.
This is where we integrate indoor and outdoor living.
Whoa!
Check out this beautiful pool. It goes from shallow to deep.
Whoa. And again, the view, the views. Asur, you know what'd be crazy?
What?
If we did one of those crazy edits where we jump and we land and we're changed.
Oh, I've seen those before.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
1, 2, 3. What the hell?
David, I was joking.
Imagine waking up to this view every single day.
That would be a dream, wouldn't it?
This never gets old. Like this is a straight, not straight, or gay. I mean like, it's entertainer's dream.
Look at this guy struggling. Use those muscles.
How do you do this? Oh,
There we go.
There you go. Oh man. Just doing that was a workout. Holy crap. Serious. Is that a ladder? Who's climbing up that?
It's the fire, it's a requirement for the
It's such a small
fire
ladder.
safety.
That's a funny ladder.
Sweet.
Oh, and it has a toilet. Oh, no, it's not that same toilet. Never mind. It's just a regular toilet. You can never get enough bubble baths. So if you're Persian, you want a house. Not me. Scratch that. Just cancel that.
What are you holding?
Tequila.